Want to secure your business against hackers? We're reviewing the top penetration testing tools that professionals actually use and how you can leverage them today. Penetration testing tools simulate cyber attacks to find vulnerabilities before real hackers do. They're essential for freelancers offering security services, small businesses protecting data, and creators securing client information. These tools automate scanning, vulnerability detection, and reporting, saving you hours of manual work and boosting your service value. Illustrated 2.4 tool compares leading pentesting platforms with ratings, pricing, and features. You'll find tools like Metasploit, Burp Suite, and Nessus ranked by real user reviews. Each tool targets different security needs, from network scanning to web application testing. The site helps you pick the right tool without expensive. Consider your budget, technical level, and specific needs. Beginners start with user-friendly options. Professionals need advanced automation. Illustrated 24 provides side-by-side comparisons, pricing tiers, and integration capabilities. Check free trials before committing. Most tools offer certifications, a huge plus for building credibility with clients. Visit Illustrated 24 to compare detailed reviews and ratings. Start with a free trial matching your skill level. Use these tools to audit your own systems first. Then offer pen testing as a premium service. Document results professionally. Clients pay premium rates for thorough security reports and peace of mind. Subscribe for more security reports and peace of mind. Subscribe for more and security tool reviews. Drop a comment telling us which pen testing tool you're trying first.